Today, I will explain why assembling a skeleton movement is more complicated and more delicate than assembling a traditional movement. It does not seek to hide its components, but rather to reveal everything that is usually invisible. The finishing of all components must be close to perfection. It is also essential that this refinement work does not in any way compromise the reliability and proper functioning of the movement. It combines demanding aesthetics, technical constraint, while guaranteeing perfect horological reliability.